If you go hiking all the time and you don't have these hiking pants, what are you doing? Because as you know, it gets so cold in the mornings and so hot in the evenings, and I always want to wear pants, but then I get so hot. It's so easy to take off a jacket, but what are you supposed to do about your legs? I hate rolling up pants because then it falls down. So I love this brand by Moosehill. And the stretchy material just makes it slip right off with even your hiking boots on. This is so convenient and I'm obsessed. I'm gonna link this in the orange card below.